Hi, Mika is not here. That's why I'm filming a video. And this is actually Mika's classes. Just want to borrow it and to let me. So I will just introduce myself in this video. I'm my mom, but you could call me Shy Mama. They call me Shy Mama because once we are playing badminton, and then lots of people are watching. That's why I just run away. And then tomorrow at school, everyone's looking at me so badly, and then I don't go to school for 2 days. And then when I go to school again, they call me Shy Mama. So my hobby is playing with my phone, which is amazing to film now, and watching YouTube on the computer. This is the computer. I'm watching 7 Perfect Angels right now. Hope don't tell my sister about this, but I promise when we reach 5 likes, I will introduce to you my sister. Or even if I get 1 like, I will just introduce to my sister. So thanks guys for watching the MK Sister Forever video. Hope you like it.